The cause of an explosion can be far more trivial than you imagine. Sometimes, a single static spark can lead to heavy property losses and even casualties. Hikvision Explosion-Proof Cameras effectively eliminate such risks. In complex environments, such as warehouses with challenging lighting, the Hikvision PTRZ Dome camera enables easy operation and maintenance, covering every corner effortlessly. At key production operation points, the Hikvision DFA APTZ provides round-the-clock protection. Empowered by Darkfighter technology, it clearly captures details even under low-light nighttime conditions, and multi-point patrol ensures no abnormality is missed. Vehicle management is a top priority for safeguarding production safety in industrial parks. The Hikvision XC6 not only isolates combustion and explosion hazards, but also greatly facilitates park vehicle management. Mounted at the commanding heights of the park, the Hikvision DY8PTZ camera delivers sharp details of every corner, with 4K resolution and 45x zoom, and multi-point patrol ensures no abnormality is missed. Its self-cleaning function also greatly reduces daily maintenance costs. Hikvision's full lineup of explosion-proof products fully covers various high-dust, flammable, and explosive scenarios, including oil fields, flour mills, metal factories, oil and gas plants, and more, eliminating explosion risks and ensuring safe production.